welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody had a great new year. I'm sorry it's been so long since my last video, but obviously with the circumstances of moving into the new house, trying to sort out this garage, it's nearly there, not far to go. Purpose of this video, like I say, just a short one today, is just I hope everybody had a great Christmas, great New Year, made the best of it as you can. It has been a difficult year. A lot of people it's affected more than others, but it has been quite difficult. There have been some good points of the year. The channel has done really well. I really appreciate everybody's support, emails, messages. It's meant so much. All the comments on Facebook. The Facebook page has grown bigger than I expected. I've just gone through 500 followers, which is, I never expected it, anything like that. I know it's only small figures, but to me it's huge. The channel has grown. It's nearly up to 4,700 subs now, which is absolutely fantastic. At last, one of the first samples of the new t-shirt has arrived. This is on the merchandise site. There's a link in the description. Pop across if you want to pick up some merch. This is the big logo t-shirt. I've also got one which is a small logo t-shirt. I've still got a few more bits to come that I'll show you as soon as they arrive. I'll give you a quick pan around the garage, and then I'll discuss basically what I want to do this year, grow the channel, and just keep expanding, just keep learning, and hopefully helping people learn with me. As I've explained in every video I do, none of my videos are how-to videos. They're just a learning experience of me going through the process of maintaining bikes, building bikes. I learn as I go, I make mistakes. I've had loads of people email me with bits that, oh, you haven't quite done that right, I'm sorry if I rained on your fire, or I don't mean to put it down. That's fantastic. I love them kind of comments because I need to learn. If I do something wrong, I really appreciate all the feedback I get, that I can rectify that and I can learn from it, and I can help others that are also doing projects. The Varadero was extremely popular. That will be coming back in. I haven't got that bike here yet. The Hayabusa, I haven't got that here yet either. I just wanted to make sure that I've got the space, everything's tidy and sorted before them two come over. There's only 3 bikes with me at the moment. I've got the ST 1100, which at the moment is the daily runner. That's working beautifully. I will be revisiting that at a later stage just to give it some more maintenance. We'll need to crack on with the Z650. That's been standing now for some time. I need to get back into that, get that finished. Again, a lot of people following the Z650 build. Again, similar people to me, that it's their first time, they're learning. These videos are helping, which is fantastic. And then obviously, once that's all cleared, onto the Z1000. I've got a lot of ideas on that one, but we'll discuss that in a bit. But let me have a quick show around the garage at the moment as it is. It's not finished. There's still a little bit more unpacking to do. There's a lot of cardboard to go down to the local tip. But it is taking shape. The workbench has been rebuilt. It was in here when I got here, but it was in a sorry state. I've got a little bit more to do on it on the back corner. But at least I have a nice solid workbench to work with. I say more shelving will be going up, but let me give you a quick show around. So I've managed to start getting shelving up and storage. Even managed to get the old stereo up and working. So when I'm out here pottering around, I've got music to listen to. I say a lot of it will be moving around. It's just been put in a position at the moment, just so I can try and get some space in here. Got a big blank wall here. I've got a plan for that. I won't tell you just yet. I'm waiting for it to turn up. I've utilised at the moment as much as the loft space as possible. I do need to get some more boards. Bottom end of the garage, I say this at the moment is a work in progress. Still got more unpacking to do. As you see, a stack of boxes to get rid of. And as I say, more boards to go up. And these will be disappearing there for the house. But Z650, I say, a lot to do on this. It's been standing now for some time. Still got the paintwork to revisit. Get all this stripped down. For those that have watched in earlier episodes, it all started cracking, and as you can see, it's all cracked. So that's all got to be taken back, start again. Engine cases, still got these to refurb and polish up. They've just been put on for now while it was in storage. But that will be the main thing, obviously indicators to buy yet. Again, as you can see, these are all polished, but where it's been stood, they need revisiting, need to clean, get the exhaust finished up. Need to, thanks to a comment I had on Facebook, I need to revisit the caliper because of something I've missed, I think a seal, so I need to revisit that. Lots to do still on the Z650. The paint, Candy Emerald is there. I've got the silver metallic base coat and 2K clear, so we will get into the paintwork when it starts getting warmer. And then the Z1000. I say, this is just a mismatch at the moment. It's just being chucked together. It will change, as it always does with most of the things I do, as people remember from the Hayabusa. Front end will change. Still not sure about their FZR 1000X up forks. I'm still deliberating whether to go to upside down, stay with upside downs, or go to conventionals, because there is a Mark 1 Bandit conversion. I've seen a set of yokes that are purpose built, fit straight in, but take a Mark 1 1200 Bandit front end. So I may look at that. Rear end, again, undecided. From the comments I've had, some like the single-sided, some like the twin shock. Again, don't know. As for the engine, this is going to come apart. I'm more than likely going to do, I have looked into it, I've done a bit of research on it, I need to do a bit more. The Z1100 or GPZ1100 B1, B2 barrels, apparently, don't quote me, but I think this is right, they actually fit straight onto the J engine. So I can take this engine out from, I think it's I think this is a 997 or 998. I can take this out to, well, just under 1100. And it's not that expensive to pick up another set of barrels. So I'll look into that, but I need to do some more research on that. Anybody that's done this or has got any information, comments below. I really appreciate your feedback, or pop across to the Facebook page and you can talk to me there. But say, a lot to do on that, but that will be coming up at a later date. That's later on in the year project. Bit chilly this morning, so I just chucked back a jumper. But as I say, t-shirts, hoodies, there are mugs, face masks, all sorts of merchandise in the merchandise site, link in the description. But plan for the year, I really want to grow this channel. My target for the end of 2021 is to try and get to 10,000 subs. That would be such an achievement for me. I really would love to get to there. I will get back into Instagram, and to my patrons, a big apology for not catching up with as much as I could do. I will be back on it this year. I will get that page back up and try and grow the Patreon. The patrons that I've already got, a big thank you for all your support. It's meant so much, it really has. You've helped me so much. The comments and the donations, it really helps. Everything goes back into the channel, nothing is wasted. It buys parts, it buys paint, sandpaper. It really helps me out as a small channel. But as I say, recapping back, I need to revisit the Varadero, just do a few more touch-ups on that. Just a bit of TLC on it. It says she's an old girl now and needs a bit of love. It gets used a lot. Finish the Z650. Hopefully, if things get better during the year, maybe during the summer, I might get a few ride-outs on the Booster. I would love to do a couple of meetups with fellow YouTubers, or even people that don't have YouTube channels that do Facebook pages. I have been speaking to a couple of guys lately that are just on Facebook and tinker with bikes. I'd love to meet up, maybe have a cuppa, have a chat, even film it. You know, that would be good. But get the Z650 finished and done. Hopefully get that out on the road. I just want to clear all the maintenance and the projects that we've already got going. I'll still continue on with obviously the maintenance through, but then I want to start obviously get the Z1000 project done, and then I'd like to start bringing in projects so I can bring them in, learn, build them up, sell them off. As the channel grows, I'd like to start doing maybe a couple of competitions. I don't want to do it quite yet because I don't think it's the right time, but maybe just start off with just small competitions. Maybe just win a t-shirt or a sticker or something. But let me know in the comments box below what you think. As I say, it's been a difficult year, and I'm looking forward to the year coming. So I'm looking at growing the channel, bigger projects, better projects, competitions, more interaction with YouTubers, Facebook. Obviously, when it's safe to do so. At the moment, it's not. Most of us are in tier 4s. Where I am now, we're now in tier 4. So I'm trying to plan the year ahead, which is difficult, but most of it will have to play by ear. But I would like to start getting out and meeting people. So if there are any fellow YouTubers that have got channels that want to meet up, maybe do a collaboration, I'm interested. You can personally mail me. There's a link actually on my main Facebook page to contact me. I'd be interested to hear from you. But as I say, enjoy your new year. I'll be back as soon as I can making more videos. As I say, the lighting in here is a lot better. The garage will be a lot better. There's still more to set up. As soon as I've sorted, the videos will be back. I appreciate all your support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Cheers. Bye.